In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a slideshow in Canva. So I am on the main page of Canva, and if we want to make a slideshow beginning from scratch, we have to select videos, and right here we have to scroll probably all the way back until we see this option for a slideshow video. So you want to select this one. It will open up a new document, and right here is where we begin. So you can choose one of the templates that we have right here. Some require the pro version of Canva, others require nothing. You can use them with the free version. So for this, I'm going to create a slideshow beginning from scratch, like I said. Okay, so a few things you need to know. This is where your pages are located at the bottom. If you want to add a new page, you just click on this plus icon. You can set the duration for your different pages right here, and also you can create text, add images. I'm going to show you how you can do all that. So this is my first page. So what I'm going to do is first add some text. So if you go to the text tab right here, you can select different styles. If you scroll down, you can see different styles. Like I said, some of those require the pro version again, others do not. So I'm going to add a heading by dragging and dropping it like so. And right here, before I write anything, I'm going to select a font by clicking on here and just going through the different fonts. So I have recently used this one. You can search for it, Dreaming Out Loud Sans. So if we click on it, as you can see, it changes the font. And here I'm just going to type, for the sake of this slideshow, I'm going to do top 5 trees, for example. So top 5 trees. And we can change the size of this. We can change it to italic, like so, italics. And basically you can play around with this however you would like. Now here I'm going to add some elements. So I'm going to go to elements and I'm going to search for trees or just tree. So as you can see, some of those require the pro version and we have some free ones as well. So if you want to add some elements, again, all you gotta do is drag and drop them like so. And I'm going to resize it by pinching it from the corner like so. And I'm just going to decrease the size or just size it however I would like. So this is very basic, but I just want to show you how you can create a slideshow of your own. So, okay, so we have this page. Now what we need is a background. So I'm going to search for background in the elements tab. And again, I'm going to scroll until I see some free background. So all we gotta do is again, drag and drop it, and we will try to align it to the page, or actually what I'm going to do is paste it at the corner, and then I'm just going to expand it as much as I can, but it doesn't have the option to expand all the way. So I'm just going to make it super big, so it fits the whole page. And now as you can see, this is in front of our images. So what I gotta do is right click on it, layer it, and send it back, or send it to the back. As you can see now, it's just as a background. Okay, so we have this first page animate, or first page ready. How do we animate this? So let's say we want this to pop up. You just gotta select this, and then you have to click on animate. So from here, you will be able to see different effects. If you just hover over them, it will show you what it's going to look like. So let's just leave it, or let's just select some random effect like so. And now we can play around with it, add some more details, but I'm just going to leave it as the base. Now let's say we want this to be animated. So again, you just have to click on it, and then it will bring you to the animation tab if you already have it selected. If not, you can just click on animate right here, and we are going to select some effect. It doesn't matter. Okay, I'm going to do this one. It's basic, but I'm just going to leave it like so. So let's say this is the our opening page for our slideshow. Now, if we want to preview it, all we got to do is click on this, Control Alt plus P, or just click on this expand button. And as you can see, this is what it looks like right now. So this is just the main, the heading page. So I'm going to close this. And now I'm going to add one more page so I show you what it looks like and how we can play around with it more. So I'm going to create a new page right here. So if you want to increase or decrease the duration, you can just drag it like so. You can increase it, decrease it. I'm going to make it, let's say 3 seconds, my opening page. And then my other page, if I click on it and drag it, I'm going to make it around 4 seconds. Okay. So this is my second page. What do we add here? Well, I'm going to add another background. I'm just going to expand it, make sure it fits the entire screen. And now I'm going to create a new text file. So I'm going to go to text, I'm going to use this one, and I'm just going to delete this. If you want to delete the bottom part, all you gotta do is make sure you have selected it, right click on it, and you click on delete. And now I'm going to change this text right here. So I just gotta highlight it all, and I'm going to write number 5, and let's do birch tree. We can select different parts from this text, underline it, and it's going to look like this. So now I'm just going to add another element, search for tree, and I'm going to select a different tree, for example this one, and I'm going to expand it like I told you. And this is what it looks like. Going to quickly add some animations. So just hover over it, click on animate, and you can add different animations. And then I'm going to select the tree itself, and it's going to appear like a stump like this. Okay, so this is what our slideshow will look like for now. So if I just preview it, top 5 trees, changes, number 5, the birch tree. And yeah, I'm not saying this looks good, but these are just the basics that you can use to make a slideshow that fits your needs. That's why I'm not putting in that much effort into this. So hopefully you've learned something out of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hopefully you found it useful, and I will see you next time.